Beautiful Birds
Beautiful Birds
by Justin LeCroy Martin. Read by Mrs. Peterson. Contents: Chapter 1, Meet the Birds. Chapter 2, Bird Skills. Chapter 3, Amazing Birds. Chapter 1, Meet the Birds. Look, what is that soaring through the bright blue sky? It is a beautiful bird.
Look, what is that soaring through the bright blue sky? It is a beautiful bird. Eagle.
Eagle. How can you tell if something is a bird? Birds are the only animals that have feathers. All birds also have 2 wings, 2 legs, and a beak.
How can you tell if something is a bird? Birds are the only animals that have feathers. All birds also have 2 wings, 2 legs, and a beak.
Cardinal. Feathers, beak, wings, legs.
Cardinal. Feather, wing, beak, leg.
Fast fact. Birds are warm-blooded. A bird's body temperature stays the same no matter how warm or cold it is outside.
Birds are warm-blooded. A bird's body temperature stays the same no matter how warm or cold it is outside.
Most birds can fly, but not all of them. Penguins are flightless. They use their wings as flippers to swim through the water.
Most birds can fly, but not all of them. Penguins are wingless. They use their wings as flippers to swim through the water.
King penguin.
King penguin.
Fast fact. Not all flying creatures are birds. Bats are mammals. They have hair, not feathers.
Not all flying creatures are birds. Bats are mammals. They have hair, not feathers.
There are about 10,000 different kinds of birds. They live all over the world. Birds come in every color you can possibly imagine.
There are about 10,000 different kinds of birds. They live all over the world. Birds come in every color you can possibly imagine.
Peacock.
Peacock.
Close up. A peacock feather looks like this close up.
A peacock feather looks like this close up.
Chapter 2, Bird Skills. Birds have excellent eyesight. They use their eyes to spot food. Some eat plants, some eat fruit, some eat other creatures, including bugs, mice, and snakes. And
birds have excellent eyesight. They use their eyes to spot food. Some eat plants, some eat fruit. Some eat other creatures, including birds, mice, and snakes.
An owl feasts on a snake.
An owl feasts on a snake.
Birds make sounds to communicate with other birds. Parrots can even be trained to repeat words.
Birds make sounds to communicate with other birds. Parrots can even be trained to repeat words.
Warbler.
Warbler.
Tweet.
Tweet.
Duck. Quack.
Duck quack.
Quack. Toucan.
Squawk. Toucan squawk.
Parrot. Hello.
Parrot hello.
Some birds migrate. They travel long distances every year. They fly to cool places for the summer and warm places for the winter.
Some birds migrate. They travel long distance every year. They fly to cool places for the summer and warm places for the winter.
Migrating geese fly together in a V shape.
Migrating geese fly together in a V shape.
Many birds build nests. Nests are a perfect place to lay eggs. They are also a perfect place to raise chicks.
Many birds build nests. Nests are a perfect place to lay eggs. They are also a perfect place to raise chicks.
A mother robin feeds a grasshopper to her chicks.
A mother robin feeds a grasshopper to her chick.
Fast fact: all birds lay eggs.
All birds lay eggs.
Chapter 3: Amazing Birds. Want to meet some amazing birds? Marabou storks have wingspans of up to 13 feet. Wow, that is wider than a bus!
Want to meet some amazing birds? Marabou storks have wingspan of up to 13 feet. Wow, that is wider than a bird.
Marabou stork, 13 feet.
Marabou stork, 13 feet.
Peregrine falcons are the fastest flyers. They can go 90 miles per hour. That is faster than a cheetah and way, way faster than the quickest person ever.
Peregrine falcons are the fastest flyers. They can go 90 miles per hour. That is faster than a cheetah and way faster than the quickest person ever.
Speed chart. Person, 25 miles per hour.
Speed chart. Person, 25 miles per hour.
Cheetah, 70 miles per hour.
Cheetah, 70 miles per hour.
Peregrine falcon, 90 miles per hour.
Peregrine falcon, 90 miles per hour.
Ostriches are the biggest birds. They can grow to be 9 feet tall. An ostrich would even tower over the tallest basketball player in the world.
Ostriches are the biggest birds. They can grow to be 9 feet tall. An ostrich would even tower over the tallest basketball player in the world.
Ostrich.
Ostrich.
Compare. Ostrich, hen.
Ostrich hens.
Ostriches lay the largest eggs of any bird.
Ostriches lay the largest egg of any bird.
The smallest birds are hummingbirds. Sometimes these tiny wonders fly into yards to sip nectar from flowers. There are so many beautiful birds to see. You only have to look around.
The smallest birds are hummingbirds. Sometimes these tiny wonders fly into yards to sip nectar from sunflowers. There are so many beautiful birds to see. You only have to look around.
Hummingbird. Fast fact. Some hummingbirds are just 2.5 inches long. These special birds can hover in the air.
Some hummingbirds are just 2 inches long. These special birds can hover in the air. Hummingbirds.